When assessing body fat, remember to hold the calipers in your right hand and making sure the measurements are on top. All measurements should be taken on the right side of the body and be marked by an X. Remember to pinch 1 inch below or above the mark and leave the caliper on for 1 second. The triceps is a vertical fold and should be measured halfway between the acromion and the olecranon process. The subscapularis is a diagonal fold and can be easily found by placing the arm behind the back. 1 to 2 centimeters below the inferior angle is where the pinch should be made. The chest is a diagonal fold and should be measured 1/2 the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple for men, but only 1/3 of the distance for women. The mid-axillary is a vertical fold and is measured on the mid-axillary line at the level of the xiphoid process and the sternum. The abdominal is a vertical fold and should be measured 2 centimeters to the right of the umbilicus. The superilium is a diagonal fold in the line with the natural angle of the iliac crest, taken in the anterior axillary line immediately superior to the iliac crest. The thigh is a vertical fold on the anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease. Record all skin fold measurements to the nearest millimeter 1 to 2 seconds after releasing the scissor grip. Take the skin fold measures in rotational order to allow the skin to regain its normal thickness. Take a minimum of 2 measurements at each site. If a duplicate measurements are not within 1 to 2 millimeters, retest the site. Obtain the sum of the 7 sites and plug them into the body density 7-site formula for either men or women. After obtaining body density, plug in the density into either the Siri or Brozek equations to obtain body fat percentage. Here's the reference. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed.